Morning, how are we? What's he got now? Do you know what I mean? More bits for the feds. Do you know what I mean? We've got some drive tech, yeah? Drive tech, yeah? Track rod ends, yeah? So I'm going to pick everyone's brains this morning because I'm not a mechanic, do you know what I mean? It's got RL on that side, yeah? And it's got nothing on this side. So is there any particular way this goes round, do you know what I mean? It's baffled me because, you know what I mean? Logical deduction, you look at it, if it said R on that side and left on that side, you'd think left, right, do you know what I mean? But this is RL and this has just got no. So I'm presuming potentially they're just universal, same size, all that, do you know what I mean? It'll go on one side or it'll be one or the other. I will visually look at it, but if you guys can let me know, that would be absolutely banging, do you know what I mean? So I'm going to get on with this in a minute, try and get these on. It's literally 2 bolts, so it's this bolt here that holds it, and then the bit that you actually track your car with, you just undo that and pull it off and put these new bad boys on, do you know what I mean? So we'll see how we get on. But you know what it's like with this car, you go to take a bolt off, it takes 3 days, do you know what I mean? So it's one of them. But nice one for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.